Welcome to eLINK by Hollander. Our records show that you have several parts flagged in eLINK with the following error code 106. Description is missing. The following video will demonstrate how to fix your flagged items listed under description is missing. Ready? Let's begin. From your eLINK dashboard, select the Flagged tab. Select Show Filters. Click the drop-down titled eBay Error Code. Select the option Description is missing. Click Apply. All parts displaying the detailed error codes should populate. Click on the individual part you would like to change by clicking the checkbox. Click Edit Listing. Click the drop-down Item Details. Locate the option to select a template. Select a corresponding template. Select Save and List as New. Please note, this flag can also be fixed using bulk change. If the flagged error code description is missing persists, please contact your eBay sales specialist for assistance in resolving the issue. That's it. Thanks for watching.